Hello everyone, so how to create an album on SoundCloud? So super easy. Basically albums are just like renamed playlists. So first thing you need to do is just to organize your tracks in an album. So I have two test tracks here and I will create the playlist from them right now. So to do that I just click more, add to playlist, and then I can create new playlist. And then I will just name it album 1, for example. And then just save. I will add also another track to a playlist. Add to playlist. Add to playlist. Added. So then I will just go to my playlist. So here is my playlist page. I just need to click edit, and then I need to select playlist type album. And then when I select album, I need to add a release date. So I just do that, add a release date, and that's basically it. These are all the required fields. And then I just click save changes. And there you have it. It means that this is now an album. And basically if I go to my profile, just going to my profile and I click albums, I will see that this is the album now in SoundCloud. So yeah, this is basically some more information from SoundCloud Help Center, but that's how it works. Hope it was helpful.